Okay, so this is my West Point Bridge project by DeKruyf. My engineering firm is DK Builds because my last name, DeKruyf, went with DK, just thought it made sense. My bridge number 1 was called the Silent Crossing because it is a smaller, some would say quieter bridge probably. Bridge number 2, the Mammoth Bridge, is bigger, it's a fun name. This is my design brief. The target consumers is anyone having to cross over the border between the United States and Canada. This is in the future, for sure, because this is not a real scenario. It could happen. So over the recent years, there has been only 2 bridges that are built to cross between the United States and Canada, and that has always been a problem with traffic and business in general. And one of the bridges has fallen from a bad storm. So there needs to be a new one built, but it needs to be very cheap and affordable because they don't care a lot about this problem. So that is my little problem. These are my 2 bridges right here. As you can tell, this is the small one, that's the big one. The Silent Crossing, the Mammoth Bridge. This one actually ended up being very cheap. It took me a little bit to figure out which was the best way to do it. And then that one was just for fun, kind of just play around. Here are my videos. Works pretty well. I'm not sure if this one's gonna load. Been having a little bit of problems with this one. I'll give it a couple seconds. Kind of just spin sometimes. Yeah, I'm not really sure what the problem is with this one. Okay. All you need to know about that one is that one was more stable than the first one, but they both worked. My materials, I used carbon steel bars for all of it. Some were different sizes, as it says there, depending on the tension and compression that it needed to hold up. They're all carbon rods, and I excavated the first one to 0 meters for price. That ended up being the cheapest way I could find, right above the water, to use the least amount of bridge. My cost, it was $214,685.26 for the cheap bridge, and that's pretty good. As if I'm looking at the other numbers, falls right in the middle, I think. And then the other one was about $523,000. So, yep, that's my presentation.